My greeting to all and welcome in this new video. This video purpose only to enhance English speaking skills, not more other than. And today I am here with my new student. So this is Anush Prajapati. So today I am here to talk about festival. So are you feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, as you know that we are going to talk about Indian festival.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, we talk it. As you know that ki India is known as by their cultural festivals, social and many more things about this. India is also known as the land of festival. In India, all the festivals were celebrated with enthusiastic and joyous. So I want to know, please tell me how festivals play an important role in our life. How festival play an important role in our life.
So festivals play a significant role in our life. Festivals like festivals are different types like religious or national festivals, and religious in included religious. There are many types of festivals like Holi, Diwali, Dashara, Janmashtami, and etc. And on the other hand, the Independence Day and Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are included in the nationals religions.
National festival.
Yes.
So I want to know that that you are explain me all the things how can affect our life as celebrating festival, like as we are celebrate all festival in India
Yes.
very enthusiastic and joyous. So as you know that Indian festivals is known as all over the India and all over the world. All the festivals play important role, like they comes people together and meet them, and also it's share their each other happiness.
Yes.
Its type of play, all the festivals play a significant role.
Yes.
So next I want to know that there are many festivals in India we are celebrated and we are celebrating also.
Yes.
So in this India, there are many. India is known as a diverse culture, food items, wearing things, all the many more things. Also, so in this India, there is many different types of festival also. So I want to know some more festival that are we are connected more much, and we are also remember all the festivals on the daily routine. So I want to know which type of festival we are celebrate in early life, and please explain some festivals that we are celebrated very enthusiastic and joyous moment.
Holi and Diwali is
Holi and Diwali.
yes.
So as you know that Holi is known as the festival of
Festival of
color, a color of festival, and the Diwali is known as the light of festival, a festival of light.
Festival of
It is. So please tell me about the Holi and Diwali.
First of all, I shall cover the Diwali. So Diwali is a celebration. It is celebrate very joyful and enthusiastic, and the reason behind behind it, that why we are celebrate the Diwali is that when Rams comes to defeat the demon
Ravan.
Raman, and comes his wife Sita and his brother Lakshman from 14 years of exile.
Yeah.
This moment was very happy. This moment is very happy for all the people, and the people, when people see them, he began to make rangolis and burn the lamps in the front of his house. It is the reason behind this.
Yes, of course. On this type of festival, also we are celebrating, and we are also. I am also like this festival because this festival is also a symbol of light. This uh, this tell us how the light affects our daily life and how the light get rid our darkness in our
Yes, yes.
life. So please elaborate the colors of festival Holi.
So, Holi is a beautiful festival that is comes in our life. In the culture of Hindus, it is a festival that the peoples purchase any types of colors to and bring them to uh,
To their home,
to their home and
they play with colors
play with
also.
color for to his friends
Uh,
and also with brother sisters.
Please elaborate it towards the school. Ki how the student or school student how celebrate it in the school because also we are facing and you are also face it. So please some sentences about this.
The student of the school are very
Enthusiastic awaiting
yes, yes,
of this
waiting
moment.
of this moment, and when the moment comes, he was feel many types of color in his bag, and the when the schools vacations vacation not
And I hope ki, this type of things like colors and many more things are in his bag. These types of things teacher not aware about it. Also,
yes, yes,
teacher not about aware it. So by and they were take carry it with
yes, yes,
secretly.
in his bag, and when the school's vacation mean vacation not any words that
One thing actually listen me
yes,
यानी जो student all the student can play the Holi in first period or last period or lunch period
main only is in the last period
about the last
when
period.
the teachers go and goes out from the school, and
Got
then
from.
he feel the colors into his friend eyes, nose, mouth, and many other.
So are you enjoy this festival?
Yes, always it is a best festival for me. But in the Holi that is celebrated in the village, uh, the clothes of the
Were
man
broken
were broke.
torn out,
Yes,
huh?
they turn out and throw in the sky.
Yes, of course this is a very 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 good moment and
And
also
it is harmless because many types of
yes of course.
water pollution are
And
do
also
with
कि
this.
many enemies were uh, take their some promises also.
Yes, yes, yes.
Many enemies and sometimes कि this type these
This
days the
yes,
festivals colors or soft colors is also
yes,
not pure. They are mixture many materials
yes.
many things, so they are harmless also.
And actually, the friends in the school was make us like a ghost.
Ghost.
Yes,
I tap. Ghost.
and a monkey, like
So I want to know next type कि we are know that कि जो at the Holi is
yes,
known
yes,
as कि Holi fill us with the colorful
colors.
in our life
Yes, yes.
and how Indian celebrate and the Indian festival. What is the symbol? This festival of symbol. कि how the festival affects of us and many more persons forgetting all enemies made to each other on the festivals day in India. In India
Yes, yes.
peoples also on the festivals day they are forgetting their enemies and made to each other and comes to each other's home and also meet each other and take their items, food, and many more things. So
Yes.
please elaborate it. This is right or wrong? If festivals comes as a boon in our life or as a
Yes,
curse in our life.
always the festival of Holi is come as a boon in our life because it is a festival that make any enemies
As a friendship.
as a friendship,
Yes. And
and it is a festival that the people was celebrate it very happily and forget that the bad things that is happened in its past,
yes.
and also forget that anybody when anybody fill color on it, he will not now he does not no
Aware about it, know
aware
about
of
it.
it
Okay.
and play with his friends
Hmm.
all the time.
As we know that the
Yes.
Indians culture and society and so economical and many more things also known as all over the world.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I want to know how the festivals comes in our life as a benefit, and festival gives benefit or loss. By celebrating the festivals we got benefit or loss in the Indian festivals, because the Indian culture and society, food items, language, and many more things known about whole the world.
Yes.
So I want to know that that festival we are celebrate in the India, so its festivals give us benefit or losses. You can talk about any
it
festivals.
it's the best example of it is our Holi and Diwali because it is the best celebration that is given by the peoples. And first of all, I shall cover the Diwali. So the benefit of Diwali is, as you know, the happiness and friendship
Yeah.
to each other, and the losses of this are that noise pollution is also, and the noise pollution means sound pollution, and air pollution also, and the dust on the land surface area and many other,
So it's
and also
effects on the atmosphere also.
waste of waste of any place.
If we talk about economical condition of India, so by celebrating the festival, the Indian economical system or grow up or down up.
Indian system are not grow more up and not
Down it
goes
is middle.
down.
Hmm?
Medium. It is the middle portion of the
I
India
want to explain.
economic.
I want to explain one more things. As you know that ki economical of India, yani GDP of India, it's grow when the Indians made in Indian things we were sell in other country, or we cannot take any other country things to buy this. The economical of India can growth many more
Yes.
if we are celebrate any festival, like for example we take it Diwali. If we celebrate Diwali, so as you know that ki all the people of India used to sell lights, Chinese light, Chinese lamp, Chinese crackers, Chinese many more things at the festival of light were sold in the market. All the people used to buy it and used to say decorated all their houses and all their things also. And also on this occasion they used to buy the Chinese lamp. So by this the Indian GDP were not were going down. So I want to know ki what will you suggest ki by which doing what things we can growth the GDP economical system of India. So please suggest something about the Diwali.
First of all, the Diwali, as you know, that Diwali is a festival of light, and the things that is used in it was colors to make rangoli, and also firecrackers and many other things used in the festival of Diwali. So, in my way, the economic of the India going in the down, and because of the products that India's
People's buy.
purchased the GDP of the economic of Chinese was grow up,
Growing up.
and in my way, you the people of economic of India use the Indian
Made in Indian things.
made in Indian things,
Huh?
because by this the economic of India is grow up. Something grow up, and when the products of the China are not purchased in the India, so he faced a great loss.
Great lot, of course.
Great.
Or their GDP also go down by
Yes.
this. So I will also suggest that all the Indians people, when they are going to celebrate any festival, please they use
Made in
all the
India.
things made in Indian, and always try to do something best in our country. By that, also we are Indian, and we I am proud of Indian being an Indian. So I want that all the people of India comes together and brings whole India comes together and made something unique. By
Yes.
that, the India were known more about the whole country,
Yes.
and the Indian GDP were also growing, will be growing
Yes.
also. So I want also, I please all the Indian people, I will suggest it, please do this type of things also. And next I want to know that if any festival are coming or near about the corner, so all the peoples were very excited,
Yes.
mainly the student, mainly the childs were awaiting the festival many more, many happily enthusiastic and joyous
And also young people.
also, because the student the child were also know that the on the festival they were wear new clothes, they will be eat new foods item, and they will be buy new things, and they will be play new
New colors
articles
with
new,
his friends.
of course. So all the students and children were also awaiting this festival. Yeah, all the festivals are in Indian festivals very awaiting enthusiastic. So please elaborate it कि Indian festival या festival, how the festival affects on the student life. Does festival affects student life towards the good, any good effects or bad effects? Festival play how to important role, means it's a
Yes.
play a good important role in the student life or not?
It's play a bad effect or a good effect on the students, and also me, because I am a student,
Yes.
and because any festivals like Diwali and Holi, the student was very excited, and and think about doing some things to his friends, and this is a excitement of the student and also me, and the bad things that is doing from by the students are that the students was uh, do a mistake in his home. By this, the home of the student was totally burned.
Sometimes in
And
it's see in the
yes,
Diwali also.
Diwali also.
But I want to elaborate it completely. As you know that the Indian festival, when Indian festival comes to all, because this is the festivals recognize, remember us कि which type of culture or India has also. It's recognize it, remember us कि how the culture of India is there. And when festivals comes near about the corner, all the its effect on the school life also. All the students used to prepare their speech on the festival, used to know about the festival, ki why we are celebrating it, what is the hidden secret about this festival. All the things they were used to ask by their teacher, by their parents, to their parents. So by this questioning and answering session, they have know ki why we are celebrating this festival, and what is the connected behind it, ki why previous many more years we are celebrating this type of festival, and how this festival play us a good effect also.
And also think
Hmm?
in his bad
By
effects.
this they are used to communicate each other, and they
Yes.
are when they are going to deliver on any speech on the any
Topic.
particular festival. They by this they enhance their communication skills, speaking skills, public speaking, and also they will know about the facts, word meanings, all the things about the festivals. So this is a good effect on the student life. And also we are know that the student and the children life also, they are awaiting the festivals very more than other people's. Lastly, I want to know one thing, because you are a student, and also one time I was also a student. So I want to know that ki how student life is a good life or not, and also tell us ki without teacher, without any guider, the student life can be possible or not. They can choose their goal, their path in a good way or wrong way. How the teachers play an important role in the student life. Please elaborate it.
Always the teachers play an important
Role.
role in the life of a student, because when students get not got his path, so the teachers help the student to find his path. And at last as you ask that the student life is good or bad. So in my way, sometimes we are feeling like that the student life is very boring,
Bad,
bad,
because the student
and
cannot know. Yeah,
yes,
the student not aware about the their times, how the teachers play an important role in their life, how the teachers build their life, because teacher is also known as the nation of builder. So they are not aware about it. So by this they are each type of things they are feel this is a boring life of student.
and
Good.
I also see that some students like some students are when the students are got beat by his parents, and by this he thinks like his student life is very boring, bad, and not good. And sometimes when the students uh, feel that his fathers give uh, uh, his father's
Any suggestions? If I want to
good
elaborate.
suggestion
uh,
to it, the confidence of the student was go high. By this, the student feeling like the student life is very good and best life, and by this, in my way, student life is totally dependent thinking.
but according to me and according to all the people's, student life is very good life, because this is a life when we can build our life for the future. This is a storing life. We can store all the knowledge, all the information in their mind, in his mind, and by this, after sometimes, by this sharing, by this use it, we can we can survive in the world
Yes.
very comfortably. So student life is very good life, and student life is also known as in a student life anybody can make their life in a good manner, in a good way, or in the student life they can not make their life, or they can ruin their life also. The student life is a life by that they can do good or bad. All the things, both things are depend on the students. Always a teacher used to guide it in a good way. Some students take it easily and some students take it seriously. So that student that take it seriously, they go to in a higher and higher, and that that take it easy, they cannot go survive in further. It is
the
correctly.
the the time of the students in the student life there are many. The thinking of the student is that he when they were a good students, he proud of that, I am a good student, I know all the things that is given by that knowledge given by the teachers, I know all the things. And the confidence is most dependent on the students. And some students that confidence is go drop in dropped. They are not build up his they are not build up his imaginations that he thinks. And in my way he always thinks that the student life is very bad things. And
Because
I not know these types of life. I i suggest a life that
but this is a wrong.
totally, yes, yes, it is
Because
wrong.
you are know that in the student life there are not any responsibility on you. You are totally free from many things, many about things. You have all the things by your parents. Your parent will be purchase all the things that you want to know,
Cloth,
that you want to buy. Of course, eating,
cloth
fooding,
bag,
wearing,
cloth bag,
all the
and
things.
books,
Hmm.
notebooks, etc. And all.
When the times are finished and you are grown up, and you are now you are survive adult life, then you will feel that student life is very good life. You are finished it in easily way.
Yes, yes, I feel this that go at the school in the morning time. And when the teachers come at the when the teachers go, the students are only talking each other.
Each other.
And I noticed it is a happy moment for all that any students are talk with his friends. Not when the teachers are in the school, so he cannot give any chance to students to uh, talking with each other.
At lastly, we are happy and we are glad to talk about you. And I will suggest one thing: please also give your best in any field. Okay, you have give all the questions answered correctly and by their senses. So I am very happy and I'm very glad. Thanks
I am
for
also
talking
glad.
also.